The future of manufacturing is changing forever. NVIDIA's latest AI factories, agentic AI, and ultra-powerful GPUs are set to redefine how the products are made. But what does this mean for the business, workers, and the global supply chain? In this video, I will break down how AI-powered factories will automate production, enhance efficiency, and redefine the way we manufacture the products, making factories smarter and more adaptive than ever before. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Nikhil Pal, an operation excellence and digital manufacturing expert with over 15 years of experience in manufacturing and process improvement. Today we are diving into the groundbreaking innovations announced at the NVIDIA GTC 2025, technologies that will reshape manufacturing from AI-driven smart factories to humanoid robots on the factory floor. If you are involved in supply chain, production, or business leadership, this is something you need to know. Stay tuned because this could be the biggest industrial transformation since the fourth industrial revolution. We are going to break down 4 key topics that Jensen Huang covered in this keynote that are set to disrupt the manufacturing industry. These are AI factories, agentic AIs, Blackwell Ultra GPUs, and humanoid robots. So let's start with the AI factories. So forget the traditional factories. AI factories are the next evolution in the industrial production. But what are they and why should you care? So what is an AI factory? AI factories are next generation production hubs powered by AI-driven automation, predictive analytics, and real-time decision making. Unlike traditional factories, these do not just follow programmed instruction. They continuously learn, adapt, and optimize process in the real time. So how AI factories will change the manufacturing? Number 1, they will start the self-optimizing production. So AI makes real-time adjustment to reduce the downtime and improve efficiency. Number 2, predictive maintenance. AI predicts machine failures before they can happen, reducing the costly breakdown. And number 3, supply chain intelligence. AI-powered analytics automate material procurement, preventing shortages and optimizing inventory. This means factories will run more efficiently with less waste, higher precision, and improved production speeds, completely transforming how the products are built and delivered. The second point that was discussed in the keynote was the agentic AI. So we have all seen AI assistant with automation, but agentic AI takes things further. It thinks, it adapts, and makes decisions on its own. So what is agentic AI? Unlike traditional AI, which relies on the human input, agentic AI is fully autonomous. It can analyze data, detect inefficiencies, and make real-time optimizations without human supervision. It can reconfigure production schedules, adjust operations dynamically, and even suggest process improvement, all in real time. And why it's a game changer for manufacturing? Because of the dynamic adjustment. AI can pause, accelerate, or shift production resources on demand. Number 2, defect detection and prevention. AI-powered vision catches microscopic defects before they become a major problem. Number 3, autonomous supply chain optimization. AI-driven logistics can instantly adjust to the shipping schedules, sourcing, and material flows. This isn't just about automation, it's about creating factories that can run themselves, making manufacturing faster, smarter, and highly adaptive. The third point highlighted in the keynote was the Blackwell Ultra GPUs. Those are going to power the AI factories. For AI factories and agentic AIs to work, they need massive computational power, and that's where NVIDIA's Blackwell Ultra GPUs come in. So how these chips will transform the manufacturing? Number 1, they will provide the faster AI model training. AI can analyze and process terabytes of factory data in seconds, enabling the real-time optimization. Number 2, reduce energy consumption. AI-driven smart grids cut electricity costs, making factories more sustainable. And number 3, real-time digital twin. AI-powered simulations allow manufacturers to test thousands of production scenarios before implementing the changes. These AI-powered GPUs will accelerate the industrial innovation, allowing manufacturers to stay ahead of the demand while cutting costs, improving the productivity. The fourth point which was discussed in the keynote was the humanoid robots. This is the most futuristic part of the keynote. Humanoid robots are coming to the factory floor. So the question comes, how AI-powered robots will change the manufacturing? So they will help to reduce the labor shortage. Robots like NVIDIA's ISAC GROOT N1 will take the over-repetitive, physical demanding, and hazardous tasks. Number 2, AI plus robotics, which is a smart collaboration. These robots work alongside employees, assisting with assembly and the logistics. Number 3, safer environment. AI-powered robots will handle heavy lifting, dangerous chemical, and high-precision tasks. So this is the next step in the Industry 4.0, human and AI-powered robots working side by side to create a smarter, safer, and more efficient factory. What do you think about AI factories and agentic AI? Will they make manufacturing better or will they replace human jobs? Let's discuss in the comments. Comment what excites you most about the AI in the manufacturing. Subscribe to the channel. You want to stay ahead in AI and automation? Hit subscribe and turn on the notification. And your supports help us to grow this channel. Thank you.